Folks, today I'm armed with nothing more than a water hose and some outdoor coil cleaner. I want to show you how to clean a mini split unit here. All you got to do is just spray the coil cleaner on and rinse it off real good. The benefits are tremendous on these things. It extends the life of the equipment, causes it to run less, and cools faster. Of course, you want to make sure it's off, okay? You always want to make sure the power's off on these units, because if you don't, and there's an electrical wire open for some particular reason, you get yourself electrocuted. So that's the very first thing, is always make sure the power's off. I want you to step over here and just see what's involved here. I want you to look how dirty. You see how much dirt's collected on this thing? It just cakes up. And see how much corrosion there is down here? That's because this particular unit hasn't really been cleaned like it should. And this corrosion here will eventually eat through that copper, okay? So we're just gonna spray this real good here. And I always like to start at the bottom. I just start at the top here because I want to have something to go to. We're going to really soak this one down because this one's dirty right here. Now this top here is full of electronics. These things are very difficult to work on. They're mostly circuit boards and transformers and little capacitors. So what we're going to do here, we're just going to really clean this from the outside. This is where the biggest part of the coil is anyway, right here. See the dirt coming off right there? I want you to see something. See how the coil is getting clean right there, and it's already starting to turn color, a brighter blue color compared to this darker color. See the dirt coming out? Okay, folks, so I'm going to spray the coil itself. I have saturated it like you saw. Now we're going to start from the top, and we're going to spray down. I want you to look at the color, how it changes as we clean this. And look at the dirt that's coming off of it. See the dirt and debris? These things have to be clean, guys. They have to be clean. And your AC guys should be doing this for you. See the dirt? I want you to look down here at the dirt that's collected right here. See how nasty it is? This will extend life of the equipment by years if you'll just keep these things clean. It's like anything else, your car, your house. See the dirt coming off? Look at it. It's crazy. I've seen condenser units, AC systems, that you can take a gallon of dirt off these things, especially when they're by bushes. At least this lady keeps her bushes trimmed off of it. That's very important to know. So look at the dirt coming off. I always like to rinse off underneath the condensers after I get done, just to get all the debris off the concrete pads. I'm going to rinse this while I'm standing right here. Okay, folks, so the main points here are, when your AC guy comes out and does his maintenance once a year, get him a water hose, get everything over there, and say, hey guy, do you mind cleaning my condensing unit? I saw a video online that shows where the guy took coil cleaner and cleaned my outdoor unit, because it lowers the head pressure of the system, dissipates the heat quicker, cleans the house, cools the house much faster, and it uses less electricity. This is about a 30-minute job, very minor, that could save you hundreds of dollars. If you like this video, please share, please subscribe, and please comment. Thank you.